Welcome back to the channel, y'all, man. What's happening? We got another food review, guys, today. We got some Cheesecake Factory, man. Basically leftovers. But I want to still do a review for you guys. Y'all can see. What I ended up trying was their Korean fried chicken with the rice, with the brown rice. Y'all can see got the Korean fried chicken with the brown rice. Just want to do a little quick taste test, man. You know, even though I already tried it, but I still wanted to get some content for y'all today. So, got a little bit of that rice. Where he said chicken. The chicken right there. Chicken and rice together. Korean fried chicken from the Cheesecake Factory. Got the vegetables right there. Chicken is tender, juicy. Had a good crunch to it. The rice was seasoned good. The rice was cooked with perfection. Got a good hit of flavor to it. I ain't gonna lie. Got a good amount of flavor. Not bad though, not bad at all. When I rate, I give it a solid 8 out of 10. Yeah, Korean fried chicken, the brown rice from the Cheesecake Factory, y'all. Y'all ain't get you some of that. Anyway, make sure y'all comment, like, and subscribe. And keep watching my videos. More food videos on the way, more videos on the way. See you next time, guys. Peace.